Welcome to our channel Throwlight. In our previous video, we have seen installation of Apache Kafka in Windows. Now, in this video, let's understand how to install Apache Kafka in Linux servers. For that, go to Google and type Kafka download. Click on the first link which will redirect to the Apache Kafka downloads page. Select the version that you want to download. Copy the path to download the Apache Kafka in Linux. Now let's create a Kafka directory using mkdir command. Go to the Kafka folder using wget command. Install the Apache Kafka in Linux. Now it will install the Apache Kafka into this Kafka folder. Now let's see the contents in that folder. Here the tar file is downloaded. Now let's extract the tar file using tar command. It will extract all the files in the same folder. Now go to the Kafka folder. Now to start the Kafka service, we need to start the Zookeeper service and as well as Kafka service. For that, in Zookeeper properties file, we need to change the data directory. Now go to Kafka folder and create a data directory. Now copy the path of this data folder and paste this path in zookeeper.properties file. Now go to config folder and go to zookeeper properties file and change the data directory with the path that you have copied before. Now save this file. Now let's start the Zookeeper service with the Zookeeper properties as an argument. For that, go to bin folder and start the Zookeeper service. For that, type zookeeper start.sh and giving this Zookeeper properties as an argument to that file. Now it will start the Zookeeper service with the default port of 2181. Now if you see here, it started the Zookeeper service with the port 2181. Now we need to start the Apache Kafka server. For that, you need to change the log data directory in server.properties. We need to change the logs data path. Here we are pasting the same data path that we have created before. Now save the server properties and go to bin folder and start the Apache Kafka server by giving server.properties as an argument. Kafka server start.sh with server.properties as an argument. It will start the Apache Kafka server. Just like in Windows, here also we have started the Zookeeper service and as well as Kafka server in Linux. Here you can check Apache Kafka server has started. Now in our next video, let's understand how to create the topic and how to produce and consume messages in Kafka topic. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel through light.